Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and today we're going to learn how to remove a digital signature from a PDF. I currently have this document signed by myself, and what I want to do is remove this signature. So to do that, I'm going to right-click the signature and select Clear Signature. This will remove all of the formatting that occurred throughout this file, and we now have the ability to make changes once again. And if you wanted to fully get rid of the signature field, what you can do is go to Prepare a Form option, select the signature field button, and select Delete. Thank you for joining me today as we learned how to remove a live signature from Adobe Acrobat PDF. Check out the link in the description to find out how I can help you get accessible, and I'll see you next time.